Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be ranking Taba squishies, and in the end I will choose which one is my favorite. Don't forget to hit those like and subscribe buttons and to click the bell notifications to stay updated on all my content. Let's get into it. Okay, so the first Taba squishy we're going to be ranking today is this blue Oreo Taba squishies. Now, as you can see, it also has lots of detail, so I do like that. So let's open it. Okay, so this one, it's not really that sticky. For me, I like sticky Taba squishies, but this one is really stretchy, which I do like. But thing is that as I said, I don't really like sticky.
Huh?
I mean, I do like sticky. So, I mean, it is cool, but I wish it were more sticky. If you don't like sticky Taba squishies, this would probably be a must for you. Okay, now I also do have 4 other ones. So there is a black Oreo, and there is a pink Oreo, and then there is a purple Oreo. So next Taba squishy is this little Chicky. I really like this one because it's really cute. Now, this one does have flocking, but it has minimal flocking, so it's still sticky. As you can see when you squish it, though still does have flocking. For me, I don't really like flocking, but maybe some of you do. The thing is about flocking is that it gets all over your hands, and I don't really like that. For this one, if you can see, it does have a little bit of flocking, but it's still sticky a tiny bit, so I do like that. And it is also really cute.
I love you.
Ice cream. Now, it does also have sprinkles, so I love that too. Let's open it. So, what I do like about this ice cream is that, I mean, yeah, it's cute, but you can also take them apart. So if you just want like the ice cream itself, you can have it by itself. Or if you just want the cone, you can have just the cone. What I do like about the cone is that's really stretchy, as you can see right there. Or if you want both of them, you can just put them together, then you have your ice cream back. Now, next one is this cute little pop. Ooh, I'll be right back.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Okay, secured Taba squishy. So it's giving really pastel-y vibes right now and girly pop vibes. So let's open it. Now, it also does come with a cute little charm right there. It's like adorable, so points for personality. Now, the Taba squishy itself, sticky, I like that. And it also has a clear coating on the top. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's a clear coating on the top, and it is really cute. Now, the thing is about sticky Taba squishies is that whenever you try to put them back in the bag, sometimes it's hard to. Sometimes they stick to the bag and so you gotta like push them in. Then you gotta take them off your fingers. So I see why some people don't like sticky Taba squishies, but for me, I like them. Little pop again, and it also has a charm and sprinkles. So also personality. Okay, let's take it out of the bag. And little paw. So charm, a bow, giving girly pop vibes. Now, Taba squishy, cute. The sprinkles, absolutely adorable. Sticky. But I'm not really a fan of the colors. So I'm gonna have to give it probably a 7 because I mean it's not lower than the ice cream but not higher than the ice cream. It's not lower, I mean it's not over the other paw that we just did, so it's in the middle of both. Okay, next Taba squishy is this clear pop, and it is so adorable. Let's take it out of the bag. Okay, so in my opinion, clear Taba squishies are more stickier than other Taba squishies, but that is fine. I mean, you can literally see everything because they're clear, so I do really like that. And this one also has little strawberry charms in it, like in the Taba squishy. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's like in every single one of these. And then there's also sparkles right here, which is also adorable. So I love that. So I'm gonna have to give this one also an 8. Oh yeah, hey, you guys comment down which one you like better, because I do have another one of this, but it kind of got destroyed a tiny bit because I accidentally washed it. So you guys comment down below, clear or messed up, which one is your guys' favorite? Okay, so next one is this little green paw. So let's open it. Okay, now this one I do like because it has green in. It's a really beautiful color of green, but it is dirty. You guys can probably not see it, but it's really dirty. Guys, I have not touched these Taba squishies before, except for that other one that I showed you guys. That's the messed up one. After that, I've never touched these before. Guys, I promise you, I did not touch them ever before. So, I don't know what happened with this guy. Oh, I kind of just ripped the bag. It's supposed to go together, but then I accidentally ripped it. Oh, well. Either way, you were gonna get a low ranking. So, this guy is going to have to be a 3, sadly. Okay, next time, squishy. Now, you guys are probably saying, oh, why is this so small? Well, I made this one. Now, I'm not gonna give it a higher ranking because I made it. Because in my opinion, this is really bad. I mean, it's not really sticky that much. I mean, it's not sticky. I mean, it's pretty good for a homemade Taba squishy, but in my opinion, it's not really that good. So, yeah. Okay, you're not gonna want to close, so I'll just leave you out like that. Okay, next Taba squishy. So we have this cute little cherry blossom, like adorable. And it also comes with a charm. So let's take it out. Okay, now this charm is just adorable. It also has sparkles in it. Now, Taba squishy itself, beautiful. I just love cherry blossoms. They're really cute. Now, I'm going to give this ranking, this one also, a 9. So you go underneath Chicky, and now, second to last, we have this little bunny, which is so cute. Now, this one also comes with a charm. The charm is plain. It is literally just a little candy piece, but simple. Simpler the better. Sometimes if you're too crazy, it's gonna be way, way too crazy. Now, this one is sticky, which I like. Oh, and look, it's also pooping out sprinkles, which is also adorable. So, now I'm gonna give this one probably an 8. Because I mean, it's not greater than the Chicky because the Chicky is just like really undefeatable. So the last, I saved the best for the last. It is a huge Taba squishy pop.
The big one.
Taba squishy, really jiggly, slappable, I guess, and not really that sticky. It's really pokeable. But as I said, I don't really like big ones. So this one is probably gonna have to get an 8. So once I put you back in the bag, ooh, pom-poms, I will put you, okay, you know what, you're not gonna go back in the bag. You are gonna stay right there. Okay. Now, the moment you guys have all been waiting for. Who is the winner? Well, it's a tie. Not a tie, but we're gonna choose between the cherry blossom and the Chicky. So, both of them are equally cute, but this one does have a charm. So, I would like a drum roll, please. And the winner is Chicky.
I win.
As I said, nothing can beat my Chicky. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. See you guys next time. Bye!